like 2 minutes since we last made a video. we got headphones though.
And cashews.
Oh baby. Look at that hunk. Look at that hunk. Oh yeah.
Is that a peanut?
Yeah.
Why is there like cashews?
Because the planters, like Tony the Tiger, it's like planters peanut, you know.
They're cashews.
What? I have headphones in, but I'm not listening to anything. I don't. Oh no. Okay. So they're not playing a movie yet. As you can see, let's zoom in. Faster, 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 faster. Look at that. You can't see it very clearly.
We're on top of Montreal.
I wish that would be clear. Apparently it's too good for us to be clear. Oh, okay. There, sort of. That's where we are. There we are. Plattsburgh? That's a place? There's a place called Plattsburgh? I don't know. Oh my god, it says something. I don't know what that says. What is that? Masena? P.S. Just so you know, people on this plane. Shut up. People on this plane speak Italian. They speak Italian. Like,
They're Italian.
Yeah.
Like they're not. Even though we came from Canada. Dude, I have like
They're not. No. That noise is really bothering me. I'm gonna punch someone in the face.
Did you stop?
That kid. I'm just kidding. Please don't watch this, whoever you are. Please. Okay, let's go zoom in on people we know. Okay.
That's big.
Yeah, I got big.
She's not doing anything
Get out of the way, woman. She's just zooming in on my phone. Oh no, I think she saw me. Oh my god. Okay, we gotta go now.